Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best compact washer is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving appliances you can add to your home, especially for those living in apartments, dorms, or even RVs, offering a convenient solution for washing small loads of laundry without the need for a full-sized machine, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals or small households seeking efficiency and ease of use in their daily chores. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents and bulky plastic jugs? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. Experience a refreshing scent that leaves your clothes smelling amazing. Our innovative sheets deliver a powerful clean, tackling even the toughest stains and odors. Make a positive impact on the environment with our eco-friendly, liquidless formula. We've eliminated plastic waste, offering a sustainable solution for your laundry needs. Our detergent sheets are designed to be gentle on your skin while remaining tough on dirt and grime. Enjoy a clean you can feel good about, inside and out. Whether you're using hot or cold water cycles, these sheets dissolve completely for a perfect wash every time. They're also incredibly travel-friendly, making laundry on the go a breeze. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-conscious cleaning. Simplify your laundry routine and embrace a cleaner, greener way to wash. What we like? Tired of bulky plastic jugs and messy liquids? These innovative detergent sheets dissolve completely, offering a powerful clean without the waste. If you're looking for an eco-conscious and travel-friendly laundry solution, these are perfect for you. They tackle tough stains and odors while being gentle on your skin. What people say? The washer has a compact design that fits easily in small spaces. It offers multiple wash cycles to accommodate different fabric types. The spin cycle is effective at removing excess water, reducing drying time. Number 4. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing a powerful solution for life's little messes. This spray is designed to tackle even the most stubborn stains on your fabrics. Perfect for new parents, this is a must-have among baby essentials. It's gentle yet effective, ensuring your little one's clothes stay clean. From food and grease to coffee, it handles it all. You can trust it to clean various items, keeping them looking their best. Use it on laundry, delicate underwear, and other fabrics. It's your go-to for maintaining the cleanliness of all your washable items. Say goodbye to frustrating stains with this easy-to-use spray. It provides a quick and effective way to restore your fabrics. What we like? Dealing with stubborn food or grease stains, especially on baby clothes? This stain treater is your go-to solution. It's formulated to be safe for newborns and all fabric types, making laundry day much easier. If you have little ones or frequently deal with messy eaters, this spray is a must-have. What people say? The washer is compact and fits perfectly in my small apartment. It handles small loads efficiently and is surprisingly quiet. The different wash cycles are great for various fabric types. Number 3. Active Mold Stain Remover Gel Cleaner. Say goodbye to stubborn mold and mildew stains. Our powerful gel cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest messes. This heavy-duty formula penetrates deep to lift and remove stains. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. Keep your front loaders seal pristine and free from unsightly stains. It ensures a cleaner wash every time. Beyond the laundry room, it works wonders on bathroom grout, shower areas, and caulk. Achieve a spotless finish throughout your home. The convenient gel application allows for precise targeting of stains. Simply apply, let it work, and wipe away for a fresh look. Experience the effectiveness of a dedicated cleaning solution. It's formulated for maximum stain-fighting power. What we like? Is mold and mildew plaguing your washing machine seal or bathroom grout? This heavy-duty gel cleaner is designed to penetrate and eliminate tough stains where others fail. If you're struggling with persistent mold issues in damp areas or your front loaders seal, this powerful cleaner will restore cleanliness. What people say? The washer is compact and fits perfectly in my small apartment. It has multiple wash cycles to choose from, which is great for different types of clothes. The spin cycle is surprisingly powerful, leaving clothes almost dry. Number 2. WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. Introducing the WonderWash, your compact solution for clean clothes wherever you are. It's perfect for small spaces and quick washes. This mini washer is ideal for apartments, RVs, and small, frequent loads. It's a convenient laundry alternative that doesn't need electricity. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, it's built to last. Its stylish retro design also fits perfectly into limited spaces like dorms or campsites. Featuring an improved easy lid lever, using it is simpler than ever. Its top-load design and hand-powered operation make laundry a breeze. Choose from our fun retro colors to match your style. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 3-year warranty. What we like? Need to do laundry but don't have a lot of space or access to power? This manual washer is the perfect solution for apartments, RVs, or small loads of delicates. Its non-electric, hand-powered design and stylish retro look make it a unique and practical choice. If you value portability and a simple, eco-friendly way to wash small items, this is for you. What people say. The washer is compact and fits perfectly in my small apartment. It has multiple wash cycles to choose from, which is great for different types of clothes. The spin cycle is surprisingly powerful, leaving clothes almost dry. Number 1. Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine. Introducing the Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine, designed to simplify your laundry routine. With intuitive controls and a clear LED display, managing your wash has never been easier. Despite its compact size, this machine boasts a generous 12 pounds capacity, perfect for handling family-sized loads. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home. Choose from 10 wash programs and 8 water level selections to perfectly suit your fabrics and soil levels. You can even set a delay start for added convenience. The transparent lid allows you to easily monitor the washing process. Plus, the child lock feature ensures safety by preventing accidental operation. Experience a smoother operation with its automatic imbalance adjustment system. It intelligently corrects uneven loads during the spin cycle for reduced vibration. This washer is built for ease of use, from setting the timer to adjusting water levels. It's the perfect blend of functionality and user-friendly design. What we like? Looking for a convenient way to handle larger loads in a compact space? This full automatic washing machine offers multiple programs and water level selections for a customized wash. Its automatic balance adjustment ensures a smooth spin cycle, and the clear lid lets you monitor the process. If you need a space-saving yet capable washer for your apartment or small home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The washer is compact and fits perfectly in my small apartment. It has multiple wash cycles to choose from, which is great for different types of clothes. The spin cycle is surprisingly powerful, leaving clothes almost dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.